To begin, open WhatsApp on your phone. Then tap the New Chat icon, a chat bubble with a plus sign located in the bottom right corner. From the top of the screen, tap New Group. Now, select the contacts you want to add to the group chat. You can add up to 1,024 members. You can also use the search bar to find and add a contact. Once you are done adding contacts, tap the green arrow to proceed. Now, enter a group name, up to 100 characters. You can add a group icon or photo by tapping the camera icon. From here, you can adjust various group permission settings, such as whether members can edit group settings, add new members, or if admin approval is required for new members. Finally, tap the checkmark to create the group. Your new group chat is now ready. As the group creator, you automatically become the admin. All added members will be notified, and the group is set for messaging and further customization. And that's how you can create a group chat in WhatsApp.